Ever since the school year started, I knew that we were going to have a lot of projects. I never thought we were going to start this early. When Ms. Lipton introduced us to the key cognitive strategies, I never expected to use these throughout the semester. The strategies that I use the most in class are research and intellectual openness. One Tuesday, I was assigned a lab report from Mr. Larkin. We had to do some research about ionic and covalent bonds. In order for me to understand the lab more, I visited various websites so I could evaluate the appropriateness of various sources. I incorporated the information I found into my lab report. When I did research, I searched for background information about ionic and covalent bonds. That same Tuesday, I was assigned an essay for Mr. Otto. We had to be open-minded on whether industrialization was worth the pain. Mr. Otto later gave us an assignment where we had to present a topic to the class. I demonstrate the use of research in my Roaring Twenties presentation because I had to find appropriate information to teach the class in order to understand the concept of technology. Then Ms. Preciado gave us a project where we had to do a trial against the Spanish for mistreating the indigenous people. I showed use of intellectual openness because I questioned the point of view of the Spanish on whether mistreating indigenous was the right thing to do. In Ms. Lipton's class, we have been working on a unit called Who Am I? We had to create a poem of our journey in life. I indicate the use of intellectual openness because we had the opportunity to write about our own character. Following that same unit, we had to create a mandala of images that represent us. I include pictures of family, education, and friends, etc. Each image symbolizes a piece of my life. For example, the image in the center represents the importance of my family and how their support means everything to me.